Alden, it's your update. Yan, nasa Davao na si Alden at tinuro pa nga ni Alden yung pangalan niya. Oh. Nasa listahan. Ang kulit pa nga nila dyan tatlo. Binuhat pa nga si Will Dasovic nila Alden. Sa ni Nico. Yan na si Alden. Oh. Ready na siya bukas for BYD Ironman 70.3 and Davao. Yun o. Mag-triathlon. Yan si Lesong, ang daming bit-bit. Yan, good luck kay Alden. Yan, buwas yan. Yan silang tatlo for BYD. And Alden Richards, Will Dasovic, saka si Nico. Nico Bolsico. Yan na yung bike ni Alden, oh. Yan, Team BYD Triathlon has arrived at BYD Ironman 70.3 Davao. Yung bukas na yan.
Yan, so sa mga Davaoenos po, maraming salamat for letting us race here in your hometown. We look forward to see all the beautiful sceneries, of course, that Davao has to offer, and we invite you to please join us in tomorrow's Ironman Davao here in Davao City, of course, with BYD, of course, and I'll see you guys, and let's race together.
Yun, oh. Ito yung highlights yung pagdating ni Alden dyan sa Davao, kung saan minelkang sila Alden. Ang dami pa nga nagpa-picture kay Alden. Ayan, oh. Alden and Nico. Ayan, nakidrum din sila, oh. Nag-enjoy na si Alden. And for BYD, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Jordan Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.